God is who he said he is, and he shall provide for me all of my needs. My name is Jamaica Simmons, and I just wanted to come to you guys and tell you a little bit about my personal testimony with God. And I was down and out. I didn't have a job, and I was on my way to the bank to take out my last little bit of money, Lord. And I was stressed out about it, and then this certain piece of understanding came across me, and I just started praying, and I said, I know how I'm going to make this work, because God is who he said he is, and he shall provide my every need. And after all of that going through, that was on a Monday, and that same Monday night, I got a phone call at about 7 o'clock at night. I had a phone interview, and she asked me to come in for an interview on Tuesday the next morning, and I was blessed with the job right on the spot. So come and join us at White Plains Baptist Church and see what God has in store for you.